Hello guys, in this video we are gonna unbox it, mouse MX Anywhere 3S. So let's get into it. I have another two mouses from this series. I have 3S, the big one, and 2S. And I decided to buy this one because I would like to use some mouse with my iPad, and I would like to have mouses at my stationary stations, primarily just there. So I decided to bought this little fella. This is the smaller one. This is great for traveling, or if you are going on some business trips, etc. So it's also have infinity scroll. Yeah, you can hear this is some programmable button. Another two. So as you can see, it's for a smaller mouse, but for my purposes and why I bought it is enough. And it's really good made. So yeah, this is great. It has USB-C for charging, and yeah. So let's take a look. What else we have here? So we have here the charging cable. Great. And also it could be connected via Bluetooth, so this is why I decided to buy it also. And another exciting factor is that I really like the Logitech series, this Pro series. I also have a keyboard, so I'm really happy with it. So I decided to go with another mouse from them. Yeah, so yeah, some codes, and I don't really think it's that much necessary. And somewhere here it should be receiver. Gotta find it. Yeah, so this was a quick review, and I hope you like it, and it was at least a little bit insightful. So, bye.